Welcome to ProSpeak English. Let's learn to speak English with confidence.
Hello, travelers. Welcome to our new series on travel English. Today, we are at the airport. This is one of the most important places to know English. In this first lesson, I am checking in for my flight. I need to give my documents and check my bags. Listen closely to how I answer the agent's questions.
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Sky High Airlines. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Good morning. Yes, here is my passport. I have my booking reference number on my phone. Is that okay?
That is perfectly fine. Let me just scan your passport first. Okay, I found your reservation. You are flying to New York today?
Yes, that is correct. I am going to New York. I hope the flight is on time today.
Yes, the flight is currently on schedule. Are you checking any bags today, or do you just have carry-on luggage?
I have one large suitcase to check in. I also have this backpack, which I will take with me on the plane.
All right. Please place the large suitcase on the scale. Do you have any fragile items or lithium batteries inside?
No, just clothes and shoes. Oh, wait, I have a portable charger. Should I take that out?
Yes, please. Portable chargers must go in your carry-on bag, not in the checked luggage. It is a safety rule.
Okay, I will move it to my backpack right now. I do not want to cause any safety issues.
Thank you for your cooperation. Okay, the weight is 22 kilograms. That is just under the limit. Perfect.
That is a relief. I was worried I packed too much. Can I ask about my seat assignment?
Of course. Right now, you're assigned to 15B, which is a middle seat. Would you prefer a window or an aisle?
Oh, I would really prefer an aisle seat if one is available. I like to stretch my legs.
Let me check for you. Yes, I have 18C available. It is an aisle seat. Shall I move you there?
Yes, please. That would be wonderful. Thank you so much for your help.
You are all set. Here is your boarding pass. Your flight leaves from gate 42. Boarding starts at 10:30 a.m.
Gate 42, 10:30 a.m. Got it. Do I need to pick up my bag in New York, or does it go straight to my final destination?
It goes straight to New York. Here is your baggage claim tag. Have a wonderful flight, miss.
Did you catch the vocabulary? I used words like carry-on, checked luggage, and aisle seat. These are essential for flying. Next, we have to go through airport security. That can be stressful, but I'll show you what to say. See you in the next video. We have our boarding pass, and now comes the tricky part. Airport security. This is where many people get nervous because the rules are strict and everyone is rushing. Don't worry, I am going to talk to the security officer. Let's listen to the instructions.
Next passenger, please. Step forward. Please place all your bags on the conveyor belt.
Hello, do I need to take my laptop out of my bag?
Yes, laptops and tablets must be in a separate bin. Please take them out now.
Okay, understood. What about my liquids? I have a small bag of toiletries.
Liquids must be under 100 milliliters and in a clear plastic bag. Place that in the bin as well, please.
Here they are. Do I need to remove my jacket and shoes?
Yes, jackets off, belts off, and please remove your shoes. Place them in the bin with your bag.
Okay, taking my jacket off now. Do I need to take off my watch?
If it is a metal watch, yes. If it is a smartwatch, you can usually keep it on, but it is safer to take it off.
I will take it off just to be safe. I do not want the alarm to beep.
Good idea. Now please wait until the person in front of you clears the scanner. Okay, you can walk through now.
Walking through now. Did I clear it? No beeping?
You are clear, no alarm. However, I need to check your water bottle. Is it empty?
Oh, I forgot to empty it. There's still a little bit of water inside. Is that a problem?
I'm afraid you cannot bring liquids through. You will have to drink it now or throw it away.
I will just throw it away in the trash can over there. Sorry about that.
No problem. Once you do that, you can collect your items from the belt.
Thank you. I'll grab my laptop and shoes. That was faster than I thought.
You were prepared. That helps. Have a safe trip, miss. Next passenger?
Success. We made it through security. The key words here were bin, liquids, and remove. Always listen carefully to the officer's commands. Now, we are inside the terminal, but I need to find my gate. Join me in the next video for that. Sometimes, before you can go to your gate, you must pass through passport control or immigration. This is a very formal conversation. The officer will ask why you are traveling. It is important to be clear and honest. Let's see how I handle it.
Good afternoon. Passport and boarding pass, please.
Good afternoon. Here you go.
Thank you. Please remove your glasses and look at the camera for a photo.
I am not wearing glasses, but I will look at the camera. Is this okay?
That is fine. Thank you. What is the purpose of your trip today?
I am traveling for tourism. I plan to do some sightseeing.
Tourism. Okay. How long do you intend to stay in New York?
I will be staying for 2 weeks. My return flight is on the 15th.
Where will you be staying during your visit?
I have a reservation at the Central Park Hotel.
Are you traveling alone or with a group?
I am traveling alone this time.
Do you have anything to declare? Any large amounts of currency or food products?
No, I have nothing to declare, just my personal belongings.
Very good. Place your right thumb on the fingerprint scanner, please.
Like this? I am pressing down now.
Yes, hold it there. Okay, processing complete. Everything looks good.
Great. Thank you very much.
Here is your passport. Welcome to the International Terminal. You may proceed.
That was a bit serious, wasn't it? But notice I kept my answers short. Tourism, 2 weeks, nothing to declare. Next, I have some free time before my flight, so I want to buy a snack at the gate. Let's go. It is finally time. I am at the gate and they just called my boarding group. I need to show my pass one last time and ask about my carry-on bag. This is the final step before we get on the airplane. Let's listen.
Now inviting passengers in Group 3 to board. Please have your boarding pass out and ready.
Hi, I am in Group 3. Here is my digital boarding pass on my phone.
Hello, just scan your phone right here under the red light. It didn't scan. Try increasing the brightness.
Oh, sorry. Let me turn the brightness up. Okay, trying again now.
There we go. That beep means it worked. You are good to go.
Quick question. Is there plenty of overhead bin space left? My backpack is a bit full.
We are a full flight today, so space is tight. But since you are in Group 3, you should be fine.
Okay, good. If there's no space, what happens?
If the bins are full, we will have to gate check your bag. We would put a tag on it and put it under the plane for free.
I understand. I hope I can keep it with me. I have my book inside.
You should be okay. Just head straight to your seat. Do you know where row 18 is?
I think so. It is near the middle of the plane, right?
Yes, about halfway down. Enjoy your flight to New York.
Thank you. I'm very excited.
Please watch your step as you walk down the jet bridge. Have a great trip.
We are boarding. I learned about gate checking a bag. That is when they take your bag at the door of the plane. Now I'm walking onto the plane to find my seat. Join me for the final conversation inside the cabin. We made it. I am inside the airplane. It is a bit crowded and I need to find row 18. I also need to put my bag up. Let's see how I interact with the flight attendant to get settled.
Welcome aboard. Can I help you find your seat?
Yes, please. I am looking for seat 18C.
You are almost there. It is just 3 rows back, on your right side, the aisle seat.
Ah, I see it now. Thank you. Do you think there is space for my bag up there?
That bin looks quite full. Let me check the one across from it.
My bag is a little heavy. I might struggle to lift it.
Here, let me assist you with that. I can lift it for you.
Oh, thank you so much. That is very kind of you.
No problem at all. There, it fits perfectly. Please take your seat so others can pass.
I am sitting down now. Is it okay if I recline my seat immediately?
Actually, for takeoff and landing, your seat must be in the upright position.
Right, I forgot. I will keep it upright. Also, how do I fasten this seatbelt?
Just insert the metal tab into the buckle until it clicks, then pull the strap to tighten.
Click, pull. Okay, I'm buckled in. How long is the flight?
The flight time is approximately 4 hours. We'll be serving drinks once we reach cruising altitude.
Sounds good. I am ready to relax. Thanks for all your help.
You are very welcome. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
And we are off. We went from check-in, through security, past immigration, to the gate, and finally into our seat. You learned so many useful travel phrases today. If you enjoyed this journey, please like and subscribe. Safe travels, everyone!